Samahan niyo ako ngayon habang nagpo-program ako at gumagawa ng content para sa ating Day 25. Hey guys, welcome to Day 25 on Project Code Sprint where I talk about programming topics for the next 30 days. Now, if you really want to honor the people you work with, especially for programmers, start with the simplest form of respect. In our field, we have to focus. And focus is not a luxury. It's actually part of our job. And when someone is clearly in their zone, deep in a problem that can really impact an entire project, the last thing they need is istorbo or interruption. Alam natin kung paano nangyayari to. Kakalabitin ka, someone cuts them mid-through kung anong ginagawa nila, someone demands an instant response or an answer. Just like that, yung logic na nasa isip nila falls apart. Now, don't get me wrong, hindi ito tungkol sa attitude. This is about the nature of our work. Solving complex problems require silence, time, space, mental clarity as they say. You break that, you don't just delay the task that they're currently having, but you're also disrespecting the person doing the work. Respect is always the clearest way that you show that you actually care for them. Respect their time, respect their focus, respect the craft that they do as well. Because if you can't give people the basic courtesy to work without unnecessary interruptions, then you're not part of the solution. You're just being part of the problem. If you really do want to honor a programmer or anyone else doing work, start here. Respect their zone, respect the process, and also respect the person.